Hello guys. How are you doing? Today channel Dance Sreyoun is going to present you about Southeast Asian countries. Let's see.
Southeast Asian countries. Southeast Asia is a beautiful and diverse region located in the southeastern part of Asia. It is made up of 11 countries: Brunei, Cambodia, Indonesia, Laos, Malaysia, Myanmar, the Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, Timor-Leste, and Vietnam. Each country has its own culture, traditions, history, and natural beauty. Southeast Asia is known for its rich cultural heritage. People in this region follow different religions such as Buddhism, Islam, Christianity, and Hinduism. Traditional dances, music, festivals, and clothing are unique and colorful in each country. For example, Cambodia is famous for Angkor Wat, a great ancient temple, while Thailand is known for its beautiful temples and royal palaces. The region is also home to many natural wonders like mountains, rivers, beaches, and islands. Countries like Indonesia and the Philippines have thousands of islands, while Vietnam and Thailand have beautiful beaches. The Mekong River flows through several countries and supports millions of people. Most Southeast Asian countries have tropical climates, which means they are hot and rainy for most of the year. This helps grow many fruits, rice, and other crops. Many people in this region work in farming, fishing, and tourism. Southeast Asia also has many challenges, such as poverty, pollution, and political problems. However, the people are friendly, hardworking, and hopeful. They work together to improve their countries and support each other through regional groups like the Association of Southeast Asian Nations, ASEAN. In conclusion, Southeast Asian countries are full of beauty, culture, and life. They may be different in some ways, but they share a strong spirit of unity and cooperation. Visiting Southeast Asia is a wonderful way to learn about the rich cultures and landscapes of this amazing part of the world.
Brunei. Brunei Darussalam is a small but wealthy country located on the island of Borneo in Southeast Asia. It is surrounded by Malaysia and has a coastline along the South China Sea. The capital city is Bandar Seri Begawan. Brunei is famous for its rich oil and gas resources, which have made it one of the richest countries in the world. The government uses this wealth to provide free education, free healthcare, and a high standard of living for its people. The country is ruled by a sultan, who is both the head of state and the head of government. The current sultan, Hassan al-Bolkiah, is one of the longest-serving rulers in the world. Brunei follows Islamic laws, and Islam is the official religion. Brunei is known for its beautiful mosques, especially the Sultan Omar Ali Saifuddin Mosque, which is a popular tourist attraction. The people of Brunei are friendly and live a peaceful life. In conclusion, Brunei is a small but prosperous country with a rich culture and strong Islamic traditions. It is a peaceful nation with a bright future.
Cambodia. Cambodia is a beautiful country located in Southeast Asia. It shares borders with Thailand, Laos, and Vietnam. The capital city of Cambodia is Phnom Penh, which is also the largest city in the country. Cambodia has a long and rich history. In the past, it was home to the Great Khmer Empire, which built the famous Angkor Wat Temple in Siem Reap. Angkor Wat is the largest religious monument in the world and a symbol of Cambodian pride. It attracts many tourists every year. The official language of Cambodia is Khmer, and the national currency is the riel. Most people in Cambodia follow Buddhism, and there are many beautiful pagodas across the country. The culture of Cambodia includes traditional dances, music, and festivals such as the Khmer New Year and Phnom Ben. The land of Cambodia is mostly flat with rivers, forests, and rice fields. The Mekong River and the Tonle Sap Lake are important sources of water and fish. Many people in Cambodia work as farmers, fishermen, or small shopkeepers. In recent years, Cambodia has been growing and developing. The country is working to improve education, health, and the economy. Even though it faces challenges, the people of Cambodia are kind, strong, and hopeful for a better future. In conclusion, Cambodia is a country full of history, culture, and natural beauty. It is a proud nation with friendly people and a bright future.
Indonesia. Indonesia is the largest country in Southeast Asia. It is made up of more than 17,000 islands, which makes it the biggest island country in the world. The capital city of Indonesia is Jakarta, located on the island of Java. Indonesia has a large population. It is the fourth most populated country in the world. The official language is Bahasa Indonesia, and the majority of people are Muslim, but many other religions are also practiced. The country is known for its motto, Bhinneka Tunggal Ika, which means unity in diversity. The culture of Indonesia is very rich and colorful. Each island has its own traditions, dances, music, clothing, and food. For example, the island of Bali is famous for its Hindu culture and beautiful temples, while Sumatra is known for its rainforests and wildlife. Indonesia is also rich in natural resources such as oil, gas, coal, and palm oil. It has many volcanoes, mountains, forests, and beaches. Tourists from around the world visit Indonesia to see places like Bali, Borobudur Temple, Komodo Island, and Lake Toba. The people of Indonesia are friendly, hardworking, and proud of their country. Even though Indonesia faces challenges such as natural disasters and pollution, it continues to grow and improve. In conclusion, Indonesia is a large and beautiful country with many islands, cultures, and traditions. It is a land of great diversity and a strong national spirit.
Laos. Laos is a small and peaceful country in Southeast Asia. It shares borders with Thailand, Vietnam, Cambodia, China, and Myanmar. The capital city of Laos is Vientiane, which is located along the Mekong River. Laos is the only landlocked country in Southeast Asia, which means it does not have a sea or ocean. Even though it has no coast, Laos has beautiful mountains, rivers, forests, and waterfalls. The country is rich in natural beauty and wildlife. The official language is Lao, and most people follow Theravada Buddhism. There are many temples and monks in Laos, and Buddhism plays an important role in the daily life of the people. One famous temple is that Luang in Vientiane. The culture of Laos is simple and traditional. People enjoy music, dance, and festivals like Pai Mai Lao New Year, which is celebrated with water, fun, and family gatherings. Lao people are known for being kind, polite, and friendly. Most of the population lives in the countryside and works in farming, especially rice farming. The Mekong River is very important for transportation, fishing, and agriculture. Laos is developing slowly, but it is working hard to improve education, health care, and the economy. It is also part of ASEAN, a group of Southeast Asian countries that work together for peace and progress. In conclusion, Laos is a beautiful and calm country with a rich culture, friendly people, and stunning nature. It is a proud nation with a peaceful way of life.
Malaysia. Malaysia is a beautiful and modern country in Southeast Asia. It is divided into two main parts, Peninsular Malaysia and East Malaysia on the island of Borneo. The capital city is Kuala Lumpur, and the government center is in Putrajaya. Malaysia is known for its multicultural society. The main ethnic groups are Malays, Chinese, and Indians, and the official religion is Islam, but people also follow Buddhism, Hinduism, and Christianity. The official language is Bahasa Malaysia, and English is widely spoken. The culture of Malaysia is rich and diverse. People celebrate many festivals such as Hari Raya, Chinese New Year, Deepavali, and Christmas. Traditional foods like nasi lemak, roti canai, and satay are popular across the country. Malaysia has beautiful nature and modern cities. It is famous for places like the Petronas Twin Towers, Langkawi Island, Mount Kinabalu, and Cameron Highlands. The country has forests, beaches, mountains, and national parks that attract many tourists. The economy of Malaysia is strong. It exports products such as oil, gas, palm oil, rubber, and electronics. Many people work in factories, offices, tourism, and farming. Education and health care are improving and available to many people. In conclusion, Malaysia is a country full of culture, nature, and progress. Its people live in peace and harmony, respecting each other's traditions. It is a proud and growing nation in Southeast Asia.
Myanmar. Myanmar, also known as Burma, is a country in Southeast Asia. It shares borders with Thailand, Laos, China, India, and Bangladesh. The capital city is Naypyidaw, but the largest and most famous city is Yangon. Myanmar is rich in history and culture. It has many ancient temples and pagodas, such as the famous Shui Dagon Pagoda in Yangon and Bagan, a city with thousands of old temples. Most people in Myanmar follow Theravada Buddhism, and monks are highly respected. The official language of Myanmar is Burmese, and the majority of people are Bamar, but there are also many ethnic groups with their own languages and traditions. Myanmar's culture includes traditional dance, music, clothing, and festivals such as Thingan Water Festival, which marks the Burmese New Year. Myanmar has beautiful landscapes including mountains, rivers, lakes, and beaches. The Irrawaddy River is the longest river in the country and is very important for transportation and farming. Most people in Myanmar work in agriculture, especially rice farming. The country also produces gems, oil, and natural gas. Although Myanmar is rich in natural resources, it faces many challenges like poverty, political conflict, and lack of development. Despite these problems, the people of Myanmar are known for being kind, strong, and hopeful. They are working to build a better and more peaceful future. In conclusion, Myanmar is a country with deep history, rich culture, and natural beauty. With peace and unity, it has great potential for growth and progress in the future.
Philippines. The Philippines is a beautiful island country in Southeast Asia. It is made up of over 7,000 islands, and the three main island groups are Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. The capital city is Manila, and the largest city is Quezon City. The Philippines has a tropical climate, with warm weather, beaches, and rich natural beauty. It is famous for tourist spots like Boracay, Palawan, Cebu, and the Chocolate Hills in Bohol. The official languages are Filipino and English, and many people speak different regional languages such as Cebuano and Ilocano. The majority of Filipinos are Christians, mainly Catholics, because the country was once a colony of Spain for over 300 years. The culture of the Philippines is a mix of Asian and Western influences. Filipinos are known for their hospitality, respect for elders, love for music, and strong family ties. Popular festivals include Sinulog, Odiadahan, and fiesta celebrations in every town. The economy of the Philippines includes agriculture, business process outsourcing, tourism, and overseas workers who send money home. Many Filipinos work as farmers, teachers, nurses, or office workers. Although the country faces challenges such as poverty and natural disasters, the people of the Philippines are hardworking, cheerful, and resilient. They always smile, even during difficult times. In conclusion, the Philippines is a vibrant country full of islands, friendly people, and rich culture. It is a proud nation with a bright and hopeful future.
Singapore. Singapore is a small, but very modern country in Southeast Asia. It is an island city-state located at the tip of the Malay Peninsula. The capital city is Singapore itself, as the whole country is one big city. Even though Singapore is small, it is one of the richest and cleanest countries in the world. It is known for its strong economy, excellent education, good health care, and safe streets. People from all over the world come to visit and work in Singapore. Singapore is a multicultural country. The main ethnic groups are Chinese, Malays, Indians, and Eurasians. The official languages are English, Malay, Mandarin Chinese, and Tamil. The national language is Malay, but English is used the most in schools and businesses. The culture of Singapore is a mix of Asian and Western traditions. People celebrate many festivals such as Chinese New Year, Hari Raya, Deepavali, and Christmas. Singapore is also famous for its delicious and diverse food, like chicken rice, laksa, and satay. Singapore is a popular tourist destination. Visitors enjoy places like Marina Bay Sands, Gardens by the Bay, Sentosa Island, and the Singapore Zoo. The city is full of tall buildings, green parks, and clean streets. In conclusion, Singapore is a small country with big success. It is modern, clean, and peaceful, with people from different cultures living together in harmony. Singapore is a shining example of development in Southeast Asia.
Thailand. Thailand is a beautiful and popular country in Southeast Asia. It is known as the land of smiles because the people are friendly and welcoming. The capital city is Bangkok, which is famous for its busy markets, temples, and street food. Thailand has a rich culture and history. Most people in Thailand are Buddhists. and there are many beautiful temples across the country, such as Wat Phra Kuan and Wat Arun. The official language is Thai, and the national currency is the baht. Thailand is famous for its traditional music, dance, clothing, and food. Thai food is popular around the world, with dishes like pad thai, tom yum soup, and green curry. The people also celebrate colorful festivals such as Songkran, Thai New Year, and Loi Krathong, the Lantern Festival. The geography of Thailand includes mountains in the north, flat rice fields in the central region, and beautiful beaches in the south. Popular tourist places include Chiang Mai, Phuket, Pattaya, and Ayutthaya. The economy of Thailand depends on tourism, agriculture, and industry. It is one of the world's top exporters of rice. Many people work as farmers, shopkeepers, hotel workers, and factory workers. In conclusion, Thailand is a wonderful country with rich culture, friendly people, and beautiful nature. It is a proud nation and one of the most visited countries in Southeast Asia.
Timor-Leste. Timor-Leste, also known as East Timor, is a small country in Southeast Asia. It is located on the eastern half of the island of Timor and shares a border with Indonesia. The capital city is Dili. Timor-Leste is one of the youngest countries in the world. It became independent in 2002 after many years of struggle and conflict. The people of Timor-Leste are proud of their freedom and work hard to build their country. The official languages are Tetum and Portuguese, reflecting the country's history as a former Portuguese colony. Many people also speak Indonesian and local languages. Most people in Timor-Leste are Catholic and celebrate religious festivals with joy and tradition. The country has beautiful landscapes including mountains, beaches, and forests. Agriculture is the main way of life for most people, with coffee being an important crop. Fishing and tourism are also growing industries. Although Timor-Leste faces challenges like poverty and development, the people are hopeful and strong. They value their culture, family, and community. In conclusion, Timor-Leste is a young and proud country with beautiful nature and a rich culture. It is working hard to grow and become a peaceful and successful nation in Southeast Asia.
Vietnam. Vietnam is a long and beautiful country located in Southeast Asia. It shares borders with China, Laos, and Cambodia. The capital city is Hanoi, and the largest city is Ho Chi Minh City, formerly Saigon. Vietnam has a rich history and culture. It is famous for its ancient traditions, beautiful landscapes, and delicious food. The official language is Vietnamese, and most people follow Buddhism, though other religions are also practiced. Vietnam's geography includes mountains in the north and central regions, fertile river deltas like the Mekong Delta in the south, and long coastlines with many beautiful beaches. The country is known for its rice farming, which is an important part of the economy. Vietnamese food is loved around the world, with famous dishes such as pho, noodle soup, banh mi, Vietnamese sandwich, and fresh spring rolls. The culture includes traditional music, festivals, and strong family values. The economy of Vietnam is growing quickly. Many people work in agriculture, manufacturing, and technology. Tourism is also an important industry, with visitors coming to see places like Ha Long Bay, Hoi An, and the Siu Kai tunnels. In conclusion, Vietnam is a country full of history, culture, and natural beauty. Its people are hardworking and proud of their heritage. Vietnam is an important and growing nation in Southeast Asia.
Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share the channel, Sreyoun in order to get more video. Thank you.